बीट शिकस्त देना। I managed to beat everyone in the race. I managed to beat everyone in the race. मैं रेस में सबको शिकस्त देने में कामयाब रहा। Available मौजूद या दस्तयाब। There were many seats available in the room. There were many seats available in the room. कमरे में काफी निश्तें मौजूद थीं। Limit हद। He has reached the limit of his endurance. He has reached the limit of his endurance. वो अपनी बर्दाश्त की हद को पहुंच चुका है। Local मुकामी। The decision produced a local uproar. The decision produced a local uproar. इस फैसले ने मुकामी सतह पर हंगामा खड़ा कर दिया। Step कदम रखना। Be careful where you step. Be careful where you step. मोहतात रहें जहां आप कदम रखें। Perhaps शायद। Perhaps I will eat an apple for lunch. Perhaps I will eat an apple for lunch. शायद मैं दोपहर के खाने में एक सेब खाऊंगा। Ocean समंदर। The ocean can make powerful waves. The ocean can make powerful waves. समंदर ताकतवर लहरें बना सकता है। Expert माहिर। The wizard was an expert in magic. The wizard was an expert in magic. जादूगर जादू का माहिर था। Escape भागना या फरार होना। Prisoner escape from jail. Prisoner escape from jail. कैदी जेल से फरार हो गया। Essential लाजमी या जरूरी। Mistakes are an essential part of education. Mistakes are an essential part of education. गलतियां तालीम का लाजमी हिस्सा है। Therefore लिहाजा या इसके लिए। He is fat. Therefore he'll go on a diet. He is fat. Therefore he'll go on a diet. वो मोटा है लिहाजा वो डाइट करेगा। Beside पहलू में या साथ। The two brothers stood beside each other. The two brothers stood beside each other. दोनों भाई एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े थे। Release छोड़ना। She released the bird from her hand. She released the bird from her hand. इसने परिंदे को अपने हाथों से छोड़ दिया। Primary बुनियादी। His primary thoughts are about money. His primary thoughts are about money. इसके बुनियादी ख्यालात पैसे के बारे में हैं। Announce ऐलान करना। The teacher announced his retirement. The teacher announced his retirement. उस्ताद ने रिटायरमेंट का ऐलान कर दिया। Grab लाना या पकड़ना। Go grab some food. Go grab some food. जाओ कुछ खाना ले लो। Identify शनाख्त। I used the file to identify his name. I used the file to identify his name. मैंने इसके नाम की शनाख्त के लिए फाइल का इस्तेमाल किया।